Hey guys, this is Richard Keats from Bank the Binary again. How you doing? Excuse me for the noise. We're as usual in a trading room packed with brokers that are screaming all over, so I apologize. What I wanted to do in this video is just go over the different platforms we have in Bank the Binary and focus on one platform that nobody usually uses, which is a very, very, very productable and profitable platform if you're using it correctly. Let's start with binary options platform. Okay, when I say platform, I mean these tabs right here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tabs. So, binary options tab is the regular tab where we're placing trades on regular, fundamental, or technical analysis, whatever you prefer to use. If you're using both, that's the best way, by the way. You're clicking on an asset, and you're clicking whether up or down. Just clicking whatever here, putting an amount of money. You can change the expiry here. You can take it also from this platform until the end of the month. You can take it from this platform until the 30th of the 6th, 2014, which is almost a year. Yeah, almost a year. All right. Whatever. And you're clicking apply and approve, and the trade is added here. This is the basic platform, the binary options one. Let me just tell you guys that I'm using this platform like 99% of the times. This is the only way I'm trading. Next one is Option Builder. Option Builder I covered in a different video, but I'm going to go over it again quickly in case you have any questions. Again, choosing an asset, whatever asset you want. The only thing you need to make sure here is that the hour is after the hour that appears in the website, of course. You cannot take a trade that is already expired, obviously. So we're taking like example 9 o'clock, no active risk, profit combination. Why? Because we're looking at the Euro GBP and the GBP will be closed at that time. So you have to make sure also that the asset is available at that time. Okay? So that's the only catch here, if you can call it a catch. You have to know what you're trading on. So I took USD CAD because obviously the US market right now is open. It's 4 o'clock GMT time. 5 o'clock GMT time, sorry. So I'm taking a trade from 1900. Payout will be 77% and 0% on a loss. Or you can take different options here. You can even take 55% on a winning trade and 30% if you lost that trade. Let's take that one. Investment amount, after you click up or down, investment amount, you click in this square right here. In the last video, it kind of got stuck, so to be clear on this one, it's right here. You're clicking the amount and you're placing a trade. Clicking place the trade and you give it a second. All right, okay, approve, trade approved. This is the trade right here. Okay, USD CAD, strike price, option price, that means the current price in the market, call or put, time that I took the trade and the time that expires, my investment and the payout. All right, that was Option Builder. Very, very nice, very easy. Sometimes you have technical analysis that will bring you to a point where you need to take a trade that you cannot take it in the binary options one because you don't have the right expiry. And that really has to match up. I mean, if you're trading a 10-minute chart and you don't have a expiry of 10 minutes, you can take it from here. Okay, the next one is called One Touch. One Touch right now will be closed because we're now in the weekend. One touch trading is very, 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 very comfortable. What you need to do is you're getting basically an asset from the market with you need to beat a very volatile price. That means they're giving you a totally different price than the current price in the market, and you have a week to get to it. So you can take the trade either Friday morning or Friday evening or all day long Friday, all day long Saturday, and all day long Sunday. These are the 3 days you can take the trade. Monday morning, when the UK market opens up, that becomes unavailable. Okay, this is unavailable anymore. So when you're taking it, you have to make sure that you know what you're doing because the payout is 400 or 300 or 500% payout. So this can be very profitable because you can lose 3 or 4 trades and win one trade that the payout is very high. Okay, so if you're trading on One Touch, make sure that you have events during that week on that asset. For example, if you have the non-farm payroll coming up in next week, you can take on this Friday the gold going up according to your analysis on the non-farm payroll, your prediction or your forecast, and basically you can catch in the non-farm payroll the asset touching that price. Now, it doesn't matter if it hits it and go back down, or if it hits it and doesn't stay there for long. As long as it hits it once from that Friday or Saturday or Sunday that you took the asset until the next Friday, that means you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to hit that asset in a specific, in the specific number that we are giving you from our platform. Once you hit it, you get the 400% payout. So if you know the market fundamental analysis very clear, you can make a lot of money from one touch. A lot of money. All right. Next step will be 60 seconds. 60 seconds and I are not good friends because I don't believe in gambling. I don't believe in gambling neither in the market, especially in the market, because you can actually analyze the market. You don't need to gamble, and neither in life, but that's something else. The 60 seconds one, from my opinion, I heard so many stories, but from my opinion, it's impossible to analyze the market in 60 seconds. It's impossible to know what an asset will do in 60 seconds. Even if I open a chart right now in Adania of a 1 minute chart, you cannot see it, but this is a 1 minute chart. That means that every candlestick here is a 1 minute candlestick. And I'm putting Bollinger Bands, and I'm looking, and I'm trying to analyze the market. I can predict it. Okay, it's going up right now, then it's going to hit this resistance, going to go down. This is a 60 seconds chart, candlestick. It's very, very hard to be correct in this kind of charts. So 60 seconds, what you need to do is you pick an asset, you pick in an amount of money. It's limited to up to $250 per trade. Clicking up or down, call or put, and open trade. The payout is 70%. And once you click in open trade, it's basically doing this very cool thing here. Once it's red, you're losing. Once it's green, you're winning. To tell you my opinion, once more, I would prefer to stay away from 60 seconds. The only times I would trade 60 seconds is in specific events where the market is very volatile and I know the volatility is going to the way that I want it to go. That means that if I have good news on the gold and I know that the gold will go sky high, I will take the gold up for 60 seconds 5 times, because I can make a cash load of money in 1 minute on the gold, but that's only in a specific event. To analyze the market in 60 seconds, I would say it's impossible. Maybe you can disagree, but that's from my experience, and it's only 14 years in the market. So, all right. This is called binary meta. This is a tool, not a platform, a tool. And this binary meta, I'm sorry, it takes a while to come up. In this platform, you can sell or buy your asset through binary meta. Let me try it again. I think I showed it in one of my videos also. You can sell or buy an asset through the button here that is hidden right now, basically telling you can sell it. Binary meta is basically giving you the opportunity to do a little bit of an analysis on an asset, trying to be some sort of a tool for you to analyze, just like a chart here. Not something that I would use. There's much better tools out there that are free that you can find, if it's Netdania, if it's free stock charts, which is also very good. I would use it only to sell or only to double up a trade. If you got any other comments that you would think that is a better way to use this kind of a platform, I would love to hear them, because I'm always learning from my traders. Even though I have a lot of experience, it's always things that you didn't know that are possible to do or to use for your analysis. But binary meta, basically settle by trades, 60 seconds, basically kind of gamble and have a little bit of fun, not too much of analysis or trading on logic. One touch, it's basically trading the weekends up to the next week, the following week afterwards. Again, if you're opening a trade either Friday or Saturday or Sunday, you can carry it on until the next Friday. If in that period of time from Friday to Friday the asset touched the amount that you were supposed to get to, you just made 400, 300, 500% profit on that specific trade. Option builder, like I said before, availability to trade an asset in your own times. And binary options, which is the basic platform. I was Richard Keats, and this is Bank the Binaries platform on bdb.richardk. We will be soon, very, very soon, launching a new website, much more handsome, but the principles will stay the same. And I wish you all successful and careful and analyzed trading. Thank you so much. Please correspond with me if you have any questions.